Audi, the German automotive giant, is renowned for its sophisticated engineering and luxurious interiors. The high-performance RS and R series ignite the passions of driving enthusiasts. The RS badge signifies performance-oriented vehicles designed to thrill. The R series with the iconic R8 represents Audi's foray into supercars. Audi's RS and R series offer a blend of power, luxury, and technology. The Audi RS series represents the perfect fusion of everyday usability and heart-pounding performance. These cars are designed for drivers who demand the practicality of a sedan or SUV without sacrificing the thrill of a sports car. At the heart of every RS model lies a powerful engine meticulously engineered to deliver exhilarating acceleration and a symphony of intoxicating sounds. One of the hallmarks of the RS series is Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. This advanced system provides unparalleled traction and stability, allowing drivers to confidently push the limits of performance in a variety of weather conditions. The Quattro system constantly monitors road conditions and distributes power to the wheels with the most grip, ensuring maximum acceleration and cornering prowess. The visual impact of the RS series is just as striking as its performance capabilities. These cars boast aggressive styling cues that hint at their underlying potential. From the wider stance and flared wheel arches to the distinctive honeycomb grille and sporty bumpers, the RS design language exudes an aura of confidence and athleticism. Whether it's the exhilarating acceleration, the confidence-inspiring handling, or the head-turning styling, the Audi RS series delivers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. These are cars that effortlessly blend into everyday life while possessing the capability to unleash breathtaking performance at a moment's notice. The Audi RS series offers a unique take on performance. From compact hatchbacks to full-size SUVs, there's an RS model for every need. The RS3 packs a serious punch in a compact package. Its turbocharged engine delivers exhilarating acceleration. Agile handling makes it a joy to drive. The RS5 elevates performance with a twin-turbo V6 engine. Its suspension balances comfort and handling. The RS6 Avant and RS7 Sportback combine performance and practicality. Their twin-turbo V8 engines offer supercar rivaling acceleration, yet they provide ample cargo space and seating for 5. The RS Q8 defies expectations with its performance. Its twin-turbo V8 engine delivers blistering speed. Adjustable air suspension allows agile cornering. Every Audi RS car blends power, precision, and practicality. Perfect for daily commutes and spirited weekend drives. The ideal choice for discerning drivers. While the RS series focuses on delivering exhilarating performance within the confines of practicality, the R series represents Audi's uncompromised pursuit of supercar excellence. These are cars designed to compete with the best in the world, offering blistering speed, razor-sharp handling, and a level of exclusivity that turns heads wherever they go. At the heart of the R series lies the Audi R8, a mid-engine masterpiece that has become a modern-day icon. The R8 embodies Audi's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering, showcasing the brand's expertise in lightweight materials, advanced aerodynamics, and powerful engine technology. The R series eschews the practicality of the RS lineup in favor of unadulterated performance. These cars are built for pure driving enjoyment, offering a visceral experience that few other vehicles can match. With their powerful engines, lightning-fast transmissions, and precisely tuned suspensions, R-Series cars are designed to conquer corners and devour straights with equal ferocity. The Audi R8 is the crown jewel of the R-Series, a mid-engined marvel that showcases the pinnacle of the brand's engineering prowess. From its striking design to its exhilarating performance, the R8 is a car that commands attention and delivers an unforgettable driving experience. One of the key elements that sets the R8 apart is its mid-engine layout, which places the engine behind the passenger compartment for optimal weight distribution and handling balance. This configuration allows for exceptional agility and responsiveness, making the R8 feel incredibly nimble and planted through corners. Powering the R8 is a naturally aspirated V10 engine, a masterpiece of German engineering that delivers a spine-tingling soundtrack and breathtaking acceleration. This high-revving engine is a testament to Audi's commitment to naturally aspirated power plants, offering a linear power delivery and an exhilarating exhaust note that is becoming increasingly rare in today's turbocharged world. Despite its performance focus, the R8 doesn't skimp on luxury or refinement. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring premium materials, supportive seats, and a driver-focused cockpit that exudes a sense of occasion. From the beautifully stitched leather to the meticulously crafted switchgear, every detail in the R8's cabin speaks to its premium pedigree. Both the Audi RS and R Series benefit from the brand's commitment to cutting-edge technology, offering a suite of advanced features designed to enhance both performance and convenience. From the innovative virtual cockpit to a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, these cars are packed with technology that elevates the driving experience. One of the standout features is Audi's virtual cockpit, a fully digital instrument cluster that replaces traditional analog gauges with a high-resolution display. This customizable display allows drivers to configure the information presented to their liking, putting vital performance data, navigation instructions, and entertainment options within easy view. The virtual cockpit not only enhances the driving experience but also gives the interior a futuristic and high-tech feel. In addition to the virtual cockpit, both the RS and R Series offer an array of driver assistance systems designed to enhance safety and convenience. These systems include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, all working in harmony to provide a reassuring and stress-free driving experience. Section 7 RS vs. R, a tale of two performance philosophies. While both the Audi RS and R Series share a commitment to performance, they approach it from different angles, catering to distinct driving preferences. The RS Series represents a more practical approach to performance, offering a blend of power, handling, and everyday usability that makes these cars incredibly versatile. They are designed to excel in a variety of driving situations, from daily commutes to spirited weekend drives without sacrificing comfort or convenience. The R Series, on the other hand, embodies Audi's uncompromised pursuit of supercar excellence. These cars are built for pure driving enjoyment, prioritizing performance and handling above all else. They are designed to thrill on winding roads and racetracks, offering a visceral driving experience that few other vehicles can match. Choosing between an RS and an R model ultimately comes down to individual priorities and driving style. Those seeking a blend of performance and practicality will find the RS Series to be the perfect fit, while those who crave the unadulterated thrill of a supercar will gravitate towards the R Series. Section 8. Advantages of owning an RS or R. Owning an Audi from either the RS or R Series comes with a host of advantages that go beyond the thrill of performance. These cars represent the pinnacle of Audi's engineering prowess, offering a unique blend of luxury, technology, and exclusivity that sets them apart from the mainstream. One of the most significant advantages is the prestige associated with owning an Audi RS or R model. These cars are highly sought after by automotive enthusiasts, and their exclusivity ensures that they turn heads wherever they go. The iconic badges and aggressive styling cues serve as a testament to the owner's discerning taste and appreciation for high-performance automobiles. Beyond the prestige factor, both the RS and R Series offer a level of refinement and luxury that is rarely found in performance cars. From the meticulously crafted interiors to the advanced technology features, these cars provide a premium driving experience that is both exhilarating and sophisticated. The use of high-quality materials, comfortable seats, and a comprehensive suite of convenience features ensures that every drive is a special occasion. Section 9. The price of performance. Considering the drawbacks. While the Audi RS and R Series offer a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and technology, owning one of these high-performance machines does come with certain drawbacks. These drawbacks are primarily related to the costs associated with owning and operating such sophisticated vehicles. One of the most significant drawbacks is the high purchase price of both RS and R models. These cars are positioned at the top of Audi's lineup, and their advanced engineering and premium features come at a premium cost. The initial investment required to purchase one of these vehicles is significant, and they tend to depreciate faster than their more mainstream counterparts. Another drawback is the high running costs associated with these performance-oriented vehicles. Their powerful engines, while delivering exhilarating performance, are not known for their fuel efficiency. Additionally, Maintenance costs can be higher compared to standard Audi models due to the complexity of their components and the specialized expertise required for servicing. The Audi legacy of performance and luxury. The Audi RS and R series represent the pinnacle of performance, luxury, and innovation. Engineered for exhilarating driving experiences without sacrificing usability or technology. From the refined RS series to the thrilling R series, there's an Audi for every driving style. The RS series offers diverse models that blend into everyday life while unleashing breathtaking performance. The R series, led by the iconic R8, represents Audi's supercar realm. The R8 embodies Audi's commitment to pushing automotive engineering and design boundaries. Audi RS and R series evoke passion and excitement, blending performance, luxury, and technology.